Alright, so we're driving across the Hoover Dam. There it is over there. Yeah, what dam? Yeah, what dam? It's a big old bridge. Check out them power poles. So this dam gives power to 7 different cities. So I remember walking along this. And over here on this side is the lake that or the Colorado River. I don't know if you can see that or not.
That's the riverside.
That's the lakeside. This is the riverside. We'll get better video here in a minute, but we are driving across the dam. We just came from up there on the other side of that bridge, that mountain. That's a visitor center across the way. We just broke the circle. Wow, it's really low. That white line on the rocks and the dark line is the depth. It shows you how low it is right now. Alright, I'll get back to you in a minute.